I would like to talk to you about why reading for pleasure is so important for multilingual learners. Reading for pleasure is a powerful way to develop a love of reading. When children enjoy reading, they feel relaxed, confident, and begin to see themselves as readers. That's why creating time and welcoming and inclusive spaces for reading really matters. It also provides opportunity to build vocabulary and grammar naturally through repeated language and meaningful contexts. It also supports speaking, listening, and comprehension skills, especially when books are shared, read aloud, and talked about together without the worry of getting things wrong. You can support and motivate reading by offering books that spark their interest and reflect a wide range of hobbies, genres and topics, reflect different cultures and identities to help learners feel seen, valued and included in both fiction and non-fiction, and represent the linguistic diversity by including books in home languages. Dual language storybooks are a great resource for this. A key tip: know your learners, their reading experience and all the languages they speak. Involve families and show that their children's multilingual reading and what they read at home is valued. Ask families what books are enjoyed at home and encourage them to bring these in so they can enjoy reading them at school too. Quite simply, the more children read, the more confident they become as readers and are more likely to want to read. It opens doors to new ideas, new worlds, new cultures, while supporting language development and building happy, confident readers. Thank you.